Access Armor, the next generation in Air-Duct access doors. All ductwork needs access panels for maintenance, cleaning, and inspection. Restaurants are specifically required by law to have an access door installed every 12 feet. These panels need to meet stringent fire code regulations and are subject to routine inspections by the local fire marshal. The problem for the HVAC industry and restaurants alike is that there is no gold standard for access panels. Most panels on the market today are made cheaply overseas using flimsy, lightweight galvanized steel. They are poorly engineered and difficult to install and use. We know. We've been in the HVAC and restaurant service business for more than 25 years. That's why we developed Access Armor, made from high-grade 316 stainless steel, precision cut and handmade right here in America. The octagon shape of our Access Armor panel also sets us apart from the competition. Most panels are square or rectangular, with sharp 90-degree angles that catch tools, clothing, and skin. The Access Armor panel is an octagon, which eliminates those sharp 90-degree angles, making installation, maintenance, and inspection safer and more efficient. The Access Armor stainless steel panel is shipped with a peel and stick template and easy-to-follow instructions. That's it. There are no loose parts like wing nuts or screws. Access Armor is intelligently designed with cam locks that are built into the panel, so there's no parts to lose or drop into the duct. The easy-to-follow instructions provide a standardized process for the installation. The first step in the process is to place the peel and stick template on the desired location. We recommend marking the 8 45-degree angles with an X, and then using a nail punch to make it easier to start the hole through the sheet metal. Use a bit to make the holes large enough so you can fit a saw blade into the hole. We recommend using a jigsaw with a fine-toothed blade. You will want to cut from hole to hole following the template. It's important to make an accurate cut, so use the drill holes to help pivot the saw while making the turn to the next hole. When done, simply remove the cutout and install the Access Armor panel. This particular panel is designed to meet the strict fire code requirements of restaurants. The neoprene gasket serves as a dust seal, and the fiberglass rope seal is rated at 2100 degrees Fahrenheit, which exceeds the NFPA and UL specifications. Simply place the Access Armor panel over the cutout and turn the knurled cams to lock the panel in place. That's it. No adhesives, no screws, no nuts, no tools, nothing. Just turn the cam lock and it locks in place. Access Armor panels come in a variety of sizes. The one on the left is fire rated for restaurants. The panel on the right is for standard HVAC application. Both are handmade here in the USA from precision cut 316 stainless steel, and both carry a lifetime warranty. So don't spend your time, hard work, and money installing a cheap, flimsy access panel. Get the quality you deserve. Get Access Armor, the new gold standard in Air-Duct access doors.